I pulled an all-nighter because I was desperately afraid of missing a package that I have been waiting all week long for. This package is like, it's gonna kind of change my life. And when I say change my life, what I really mean is change a very specific part of my life. Now this baby carriage doesn't belong to me. I don't have a baby, but this box. I don't know if you've ever pulled an all-nighter, but when you do, at the beginning of the day, you have this like rush of energy and then you absolutely crash. So I'm using that energy to get this thing open, put it together, take it out to New York City, and have a good day. So enough talking and more unboxing. By the title of this video, I know you already know what it is, but I'm still giving an unveiling. Start with cardboard. Okay. Styrofoam. More styrofoam. This thing's like 60 pounds. I don't know if I can lift it like this, but I'm gonna try. Lift with your legs. Super 73! Oh man, traveling in New York City just got so much better. Woo! Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna put this thing together and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
1 hour later.
Well, alright, that was actually a fairly easy setup and well, there she is. I got the Super 73 is because commuting in New York City is a hassle. It can be a hassle if you don't go about it the right way. Some people walk, which I think is too slow. Sometimes I ride one of my skateboards. And not even mentioned the New York City subway yet. Like sometimes it's like packing sardines in a can. You don't want to be in a sweaty subway on your way to work or doing whatever you want to do in New York City. So that is exactly why I got the Super 73. It's going to change my form of commuting in New York City, how I get around. So I'm going to go meet up with my buddy Brett Conti right now, and we're just going to go explore with our Super 73. So yeah, let's go. So currently it is 39 degrees in New York City, and usually that's not that cold for New Yorkers, but it's also really windy today. But I'm not gonna let the cold weather and the wind and staying up all night stop me from riding this bike because it's a new day and I just really wanna ride this bike. I gotta stop talking about it. But before I do that, I just gotta change. I gotta get some warmer clothes on. So, all right, I'm all set, I'm warm, battery's charged. Let's go explore New York City. Don't want to leave you guys behind. Alright, now I will attempt to take this bad boy over the Williamsburg Bridge. Yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. I don't know if you guys remember that scene in Dumb and Dumber where Jim Carrey has 2 pairs of gloves and he leaves his buddy hanging.
Maybe you should wear these extra gloves. My hands are starting to get sweaty.
Extra gloves?
Well, I'm riding solo today and it's cold, so I'm throwing on my 2nd pair of gloves. I think this guy wants to race. I'd beat him. I'd beat him. I just pulled up to my older brother's girlfriend's place. I'm gonna show him the bike for the first time and see what he thinks. Yo, come outside. Check it. Take a look at what I got. Yeah, come outside. Come outside. What's up, old man? What do you think?
I think it's worth the money.
Yeah. It's my older brother, everybody.
Here.
What's up? Yeah. Everybody, the infamous Brett Conti. Damn squad, what's up? What do you think?
You're smart with the gloves. I need to buy a pair.
Here, take them off. I got 2 pairs, bro.
You have 2 pairs?
Extra gloves?
It looks so good. I remember when mine was that clean.
Who needs city bikes when you got the Super 73? You ready to cruise, dog?
Yeah, I'm glad that you realized you have to leave the bike on in order for it to charge. So
you know I'm always learning
2
lessons.
Probably 3 hours and it wasn't even charging.
That was in the past and we're going to the future. Am I right? Think it's gonna die, but you ready to cruise?
Yeah, let's see if we can make it to my place. Maybe we'll have to get some pizza first though.
Alright, blast off.
Knowing you, you're gonna get a ticket like the first day you ever had it.
I was thinking about it. They all locked up and safe. You got my baby
good.
nice and protected. Ready to get some pizza?
Let's get some pizza.
Some za. Best pizza in New York.
That was so good. It's gonna change your life. Here, I gotta film your reaction.
Little break from riding the bikes to try this pizza. What's the pizza place called?
Village Square Pizza.
Village Square Pizza.
Right across the block from Tompkins Square Park.
Very famous Tompkins Square Park.
Spicy honey on a pepperoni Sicilian.
Make it a good bite. Here we go. Oh man.
How good is that?
It's not even a fake reaction. It's
No,
delicious,
it's-
bro. Different flavors coming in and out. 10 out of 10. What do you want for Christmas, Brett?
I want a coffee cup right here for my Super 73.
Yo, why'd you get a Super 73?
Because it's the best way to commute in New York City. It makes you want to commute and you look forward to it. It makes you feel like Batman.
Alright, it's definitely gotten it cold enough for us to go inside.
It's freezing out here.
You got hot chocolate? Oh yeah! Anyone home?
Nope.
For anyone who's actually subscribed to me, a lot of you probably came straight from this guy anyways. Brett Conti, how long have we known each other?
Maybe like 7 years now?
7 years. I hit him up on Facebook because he started Fortune, his clothing skateboard brand. I think I spent like $100.
Yep, you were like one of the first supporters.
Yeah, and I was just like, this guy's doing his thing, and I respect it, and plus we skated. And since then, we've traveled to like 7 different countries.
Yeah.
This guy's got me inspired to make YouTube videos. He, honestly, I'll give you the credit, inspired me to get the Super 73.
I was just gonna say that.
Sure you were, Brett. Sure you were. You know, you probably were gonna say that actually. Anyways. Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Yeah, it didn't inspire me to get this hair. This is all me right here, you know what I'm saying? Got him.
I'm gonna grow out my hair now just so, you know, you feel better and give me some inspiration to do something.
Well, thank you, Brett Conti, for being my friend and all the inspiration. This video is dedicated to you guys at Super 73. Your bikes are so sick, man. It's dedicated to Brett Conti as well.
Alright, man.
And
glad you're back on YouTube.
look at this guy with his YouTube flag.
That's gonna say Dillon Collins in like couple weeks.
That's a flex right there, bro. Riding my bike home. I'm on the Williamsburg Bridge heading back to Brooklyn. My fingers are numb. These gloves are not good enough. I got them at a dollar store. I'm waiting for the train to come because I was just literally riding up the bridge and I was going just as fast as the train. So I want the next train to come so I can show you guys. Oh, I hope it comes fast because it's so cold. I didn't press record fast enough, so I gotta try to catch up with it. But I swear the last train I was going just as fast. Yeah, look at that. I'm going just as fast as the train. I think I'm going faster than the train now. All right, now we're going downhill. I was going just as fast as the train going uphill. Now I'm going downhill. And now I'm officially going faster than the train. Take that, New York City Subway. Alright, this video is definitely coming to an end, and I want to say thank you to anyone who's still watching, and to anyone who used to watch my videos, and I guess anyone who's new. Hi, my name is Dillon Collins, and I live in New York City. I'm a bartender, and in the wintertime, bartending really slows down, and I'm a type of person who likes to try to fulfill my days with creative outlets, and I like to do things like paint, and take acting classes, and make YouTube videos. I was on a roll, I was making a lot of YouTube videos, but, I mean, my camera got stolen, and the one before that got broken, and I went through like a little bit of a breakup this summer. I don't know, I felt down in the dumps, and I know some people might say those are excuses, but the truth is, I don't know, I didn't feel 100%, so when I don't feel 100%, I don't put 100% into creative outlets. The irony is, these creative outlets make me feel good, they make me feel happy, and I wake up earlier and I fulfill my days. That's what I want to do with these YouTube videos. And besides all of those positive things, making these YouTube videos, they're like documenting memories. I know that when I'm old one day and I watch these videos, I'm gonna be so grateful that I have these It's kind of like when you look back at a photograph from when you were 10 years old and you can almost remember what you did that day. But instead, I have these videos that are literally what I did that day. Today was a great day, and I'm glad that I documented it. So, I don't know, if you guys had fun with me today, like they say, like and subscribe. I'm gonna be making more New York City-based topic videos, things to do in New York City, things with my friends, or sometimes just a daily vlog. See you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.